Sending money from Turkey to Nigeria can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you will need to choose a suitable money transfer service that operates in both Turkey and Nigeria. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and online services like TransferWise and Payoneer. First, you need to create an account with your chosen money transfer service. This can usually be done online or through a mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and identification details. Next, you will need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are sending the money directly to their bank account. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details to avoid any errors. Once you have added the recipient's details, you can proceed to enter the amount you want to send. The money transfer service will then provide you with an estimate of the exchange rate and any fees that will be applied to the transaction. After reviewing the transaction details, you can proceed to pay for the transfer using a payment method accepted by the service, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or cash. Make sure to keep a record of the transaction, including the reference number and any other relevant details. The recipient can then pick up the cash at a designated location, such as a bank or money transfer agent, or have it deposited directly into their bank account. The time it takes for the money to arrive will depend on the service you use and the destination, but most transfers are completed within a few minutes or hours. It is also important to consider the exchange rate and fees when sending money from Turkey to Nigeria. Look for services that offer competitive exchange rates and low fees to get the best value for your money. Additionally, be aware of any local regulations or restrictions on money transfers in both Turkey and Nigeria. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can easily send money from Turkey to Nigeria. Remember to always prioritize security and use a reputable service to avoid any potential risks or scams.